Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So on the gold market, it's also not many things for discussion today. Market is calling around the OP target that has been reached, and as we discussed recently, it would be better to wait for some pullback before considering taking on the new long position, because in general market stands around the agreement resistance. As you can see, 1875 target agrees with the 1886 level. It stands very close, and if you're considering taking the scalp short position, you will have to place stop somewhere above it, or better even to place stop above the daily overbought, so which is 1888. And currently you can see indeed some reaction is starting to the downside and suggests some pullback, but in general overall upward action looks very strong, and we currently do not consider some really bearish signs. So mostly we're look at the pullback as a just reaction on the target, some retracement and possible upward continuation. The pattern that we theoretically also keep in mind is almost the same as on the euro currency, so it might be kind of the head and shoulders if market will form harmonic retracement. So if it will reach an area around 1810, 1815, somewhere in a row with the bottom of this retracement, market will keep some harmony, and probably could be an area where we could take the position. But currently it's difficult to say because the reaction just has started. Finally, on the 5-time frame chart, we said as market stands at resistance and we have good thrusting upward action, we could consider some Judd Napoli patterns that actually could trigger this reaction to the downside. And take a look, indeed today we've got bearish double repo sell. You can see the thrusting up action onto the upside, close below 3x3, close above, close below right now, and market with the closing of this candle will confirm the double repo sell pattern, which suggests the deep retracement. So in fact, the minimum target of the double repo usually the 50% of the thrusting action, and this is approximately around 1840. So market could retest this top, this previous top, where actually was the daily XOP 1854 areas, if you remember here. So that's the minimum target that market could reach with the pullback. Theoretically, overall downside retracement could be stronger, but currently we do not have the patterns that could point precise level that market could reach. So that being said, on the gold, very similar situation actually to the euro. So for daily traders and for those who have the bullish view and certain chance to go along, you should do nothing currently. Just wait for the pullback because market stands at target, and today we also will get the FOMC minutes release later in the session. Some other statistics for scalp traders, if you consider thinking about taking the short position, well, currently we actually have only this potential double repo sell that you could consider. But don't forget what I said about the high standing levels. So that's this initial stop should be placed somewhere in higher levels, since you can see here it's a bit extended range. This market could fluctuate inside of it and do not lose the chance on the possible reaction still. So that's what we have currently on the gold.